You guys going crazy down there. What the fuck? Oh. You have to look somewhere for it. That would work. You have to look at it. You have to look at it. At it. There we go. You gotta remember, jump is just the lower button. So instead of looking for A, just remember down on the button. If you back up and then look at it again, I think you'll be able to jump now.
Jump where?
Up there.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Boom. And then you can go across, right? Like down. Yeah, boom. Oh. Yeah, nice. Can you go up? Can you go up? Like to the left? To the right? Oh, that pipe. That pipe. You have to look at it though.
I know, I'm trying. What am I doing?
Let me see.
I know, maybe I can. Oh, there it is. There. I'm starting to understand this a little more.
I understand it now. You gotta pivot your look. Or just guess. That works too. That works too. I'm not mad at it. Y is up. Stop looking at it. You do it like reflex. Nah. Up there, to the left. Oh, no, you're right. Nice. Nice. You didn't look down. Good. Get in there. What the fuck is this place? The second I moved my hand, you look.
What's going on here?
I think you gotta go out this way.
Out?
Yeah, that way.
Oh, it's this thing.
Oh. Okay. Maybe orient yourself. Why are you still spinning? Orient yourself.
Press B to be out.
Stop looking at it, bro. Alright, get yourself in the thing. Insert yourself into the cylinder.
Don't I have to
insert yourself into
I didn't
the cylinder?
move.
Yeah, you just spun in a circle inside of it. Not inside of it.
Okay, I won't look at it, but your hand's distracting.
Inside, there we go. Now just aim to the right. Boom. Don't walk out. There we go. No, don't walk out. You walked out.
But that's as far as I needed to go.
That's okay. You're probably fine.
Bam, bitch. Bam, bitch.
Good stuff.
What?
I said good stuff.
Can I jump there?
Just guess. Fuck it. Nobody cares. To the left.
I can't fall off.
I know. To the left. Where are you looking?
She just comes to a stop.
Look to the behind of you. Look behind you. Look, thank you. Fuck. Go that way.
What do you mean?
That's the way you're going. Look where you're going, please.
Yeah, but I can't go that way.
Tilt down.
I can jump right there. Look at that.
Look, stop it. Don't move. Look where you're going. Thank you. Now move towards where you're looking. Stop. Stop. Look where you're going.
I am.
You're not supposed to be going back. You just came from here. You just came from this direction.
I did?
Yes. You want to be going. Yes. No. Yep. To the right. Nope. You just came here as well. Yes. Boom. Continue onward. Why did we look up? Why did we look like that? We were so scared. No way. Oh, thank God.
Landed on her feet.
Fuck.
Damn. Ooh, you gotta go that way. It's telling us where to go, baby.
Nope. That wasn't it.
What?
Nope. There you go.
I see.
Stop. Look where you're going. Let's go.
Now what?
Right there.
Oh, I jump onto that sign. We have to look where we're going.
Yeah, but like, keep looking. Can you just jump across it?
I might be able to. No.
Continue to change your point of view. Continue to look around. No. Yeah, that was an angle for sure. Keep going. Why did you stop? Keep going. Go up there.
Is that where I just came from?
And then look up there. You have to stop getting so close to him. You have to jump onto it. You're underneath. You are underneath the AC right now. Thank you. And then look to the right.
Look to the right. I have to push this down.
Ready? Shwoopity swap.
Shwibbity swap. Nice.
Oh my gosh!
Baby, I was.
You got better. Like, legitimately, even though you suck, you did get better. You did get better. This is yours.
Shwibbity swap.
Don't let that shake go to waste unless you're leaving it for me.
I was just gonna drink some more. Did you get any? You didn't?
Not really.
Do you want more?
No. I'm used to not getting my fill. Alright. I feel like I'm a little tall. You need to be closer. And I... You okay? What happened?
I hit my knee.
Oh, on the computer.
You think it's okay?
Yeah, probably. I forgot where I'm going. Where am I going?
See, no, it falls out if I don't push it in that far.
What?
The thing, the AirPod.
Oh. Can I go this way? No, they just let you. That's fun. Oh, the meows for hints.
I don't.
Yeah, like look at the lights.
Mm-hmm.
So it's telling me I gotta go up and that way and there. So I could do that and that and that. And I'm in there.
Are you gonna have any more of this right now?
What?
This week.
I was. If you don't want to put it up.
Yeah. I just don't want to write this up.
I need to continue making my way. This is not the stop for me. I understand. I gotta bring myself up. I understand it now. That's not it. Ah, but I can go through here. Okay. What is this? Is this another battery thingy? It's a battery thingy. You see the batteries?
You unplug it so it stops working.
I just felt like knocking those down. Couldn't tell you why. No. Who's playing the sick tunes?
They're for real though. You better scratch that rug.
You feel me? Data corrupted, need help. Body required for download. Body required.
Body required.
Enter the door, turn on, find body. What does body mean here in this context, in these contextualizations?
Okay, so this is where I was.
Yes. Don't shake your fucking head at me. What am I looking for? That's lit up.
Oh.
If things are lit up, it normally means there's a clue or some shit.
Oh.
That looks interactable. That looks like a socket. Oh my god. 1, 2, there's 3 more of these. That looks like one actually.
It is one.
Hey yo, pick that back up. Pick that back up. Pick that back up. Thank you. Oh, that looks like one. This is interactable. Alright then. And then there's light up there. Is that one?
How do you get up there?
I believe that to be one. I do believe that.
Oh.
I can jump on this.
Yeah.
Oh, well that's convenient. Watch your fucking mouth. Don't look at me like that. Who the fuck is you? Ugly bitch. Stop watching me. We're being a creep and shit. Anonymously and remotely. I don't like that.
Who's behind my camera?
That's what I'm saying. That's me right there. You see me?
Yes, do a little twirl. Just a little twirl.
Do a spin.
Is that the body? It looks like a body.
Wow. Oh. What the fuck?
Is that what they mean by body? A robot body? Oh.
There wasn't anything else to interact with, so that's what I did. But it seems like that was correct.
What's that?
I have no idea.
What is that? Jump on top of the body.
I can't no more. Yeah, I'm confused. Do I take this out of the room? I believe I do. Do I not? Ah, yes. All the fucking arrows pointing straight to it.
It's cute. It's a little fishy.
Can you put some more? A little bit.
We have to make sure that we walk to Jen's at some point.
You have to make sure you walk the gym.
How much do you want?
Chill out. Yo, how much you trying to kill me? That was more than was in there originally. That's crazy. This is B12, by the way.
B12?
Mind you, a cat just figured out how to start a robot. Oh my god. Is there dialogue? What is E? Oh.
I'm free.
Thank you. I couldn't believe he's on the cameras. A cat in the dead city. I can't remember my name. It seems my memory is corrupted.
My memory is corrupted.
I've been trapped in the electronic network for so long.
So long.
I know I worked for a scientist who lived here. For now, call me B12. That's what it says on my exterior.
Exterior.
It's dangerous in the dead city, but you seem like you know how to handle yourself. Let's get out of here.
Yeah, I'm a cat, bitch.
Follow me.
Doobie-dee. Where'd you go, B12?
That key unlocks the door. Let me get that for you.
We knew that key did something.
We did. Oh my god, you're right. His battery's low.
Charge, buddy. You gotta charge.
You're going to have to put this on. What is this?
It's a battery pack. You can't walk in it.
Oh, that's where he charges himself. She doesn't like how it feels. This thing was designed for small quadrupeds like you. Is this uncomfortable? Don't worry, you'll get used to it. I've digitized the key and stored it in the backpack. That's not how matter works. What? Okay, whatever. Press. Oh, there's like an actual inventory.
Oh shit.
Oh god.
Memories.
What if we have to fight people?
Wait.
Easy. It's up. On the arrow pad, up. If you're ever curious about an object, you can show it to me. Or others, or if we come across any. Now let's get out of this flat. Talk to me. Oh, sorry. My bad. You know, catch it. Use item as X. There we go. To the right. Well, that's really neat. And you see, this will help you actually figure out. You see, this is me controlling where I'm going, where the cat is looking, where the cat is moving, and this is you controlling where the camera is looking. Okay. So it's like a literal 3D visualization. That is the point of view. Isn't that cool? And then you, all right, I'm going this way. Actually, I want to go this way. I'm going this way. Actually, I want to go this way. And you turn before you look. What is up here? It's definitely not in here. I'm sorry. Use digicode. What? Was there a code?
I don't know.
Was there a code? Oh my god. Oh my god.
3748.
3748. That would have been scary. Wow. 3748. Good fucking eyeballs. What?
Good fucking eyeballs.
Good fucking eyeballs.
Eyeballs.
Eyeballies. Look at this place. You wanna read?
That elevator in the distance. That's important, I think. I know we need to go up.
Okay. I'm gonna say that. I'm jumping in.
Ooh.
Look, baby, no hands. You didn't want to put your hands up?
What the fuck is down there? What is that shit? Ooh. You got a little mural over here.
Oh, it goes back up? Oh, we said we need to go up,
The
not
fuck
down.
is that?
Where?
Down
Here?
there. What the fuck?
That's where all the things are growing. That's gross.
It's like breathing.
Yeah.
Heartbeat.
It looks like an organism. Like a single organism.
Wait, I remember. The outside. It feels like I've been there before. Is this where you came from? I promised someone I would go there. Promise who? This postcard. The mural was painted from it. Let's take it.
How do you have hands?
Gained new item. What?
How did he pick that up? I didn't see any fucking hands.
Why do I have these memories? Hey, I wasn't done reading.
How did I get there? How did they get there? Let's keep going. Are you that slow? You're so slow. I'm just kidding. I went too fast. Sorry. New memory. You asked what the memories were.
So
Boom.
can we look at it? Can we look at the memory? Yeah. Bam.
These are his memories of the robot, not the
Yeah.
kitty cats.
I know.
I didn't. Oh. Wasn't saying that for your benefit. I was saying it for mine. What the Sharon?
Sharon.
Sharon! I don't know why.
Sharon!
I don't know why that's in my head right now.
What is that?
Ozzy Osbourne?
Oh.
I think he was crazy or something. I don't know. I thought we were supposed to be going up. Translate. Safe zone. Oh, that elevator. That giant shit in the background. You see that?
They're back.
I'm out of here. Is that a person? No way.
No, it's a robot. Oh, shit.
Let's relax, bro. The fuck you mean?
I'm getting chilly. I'll be right back.
Chilly? From what? Close the window.
No, it's okay if it's open.
No, close it.
I just want to get a little more comfy.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. Oh. Babe, why'd you leave right at the action? The sound got all suspenseful. You're like, this is a good time to get up. This is the suspenseful part. He just sounded the alarm.
The robot.
No, why you locked me in here, you fucking bitch. I can't run. Whoa, whoa, it's a lot of robots. Are these people? Did the robots become sentient, do you think?
Are they scared of the cat?
I think so. My guess. You also need to be closer. My guess is that all the living things died. They were eaten by whatever this weird mucousy tissue is, right? Mm-hmm. The humans uploaded themselves into robots to not die or succumb to this virus. That's why the little robot has memories, and it's like, I was supposed to go to this before the fall or whatever, and that's why they're so scared of cats. Because maybe any organic matter turns into this gross shit. That's my guess. Like, you're not doing this as a robot if there's an issue. This is wild. I think he's gonna try to kill me if I move towards him.
Neat.
What? You're no Zerk. There's Zerks. We're not familiar with your kind. Damn. You are welcome in our village as long as you don't eat anyone.
Eat anyone?
How would we eat you? You're metal. That was a weird sound that he just made. He just has speakers. So he normally talks at a certain volume and he just turned himself up for that. Right? That's how that had to work. Because he didn't just yell with robot fucking vocal cords. Now what? Show items. The elevator to this is underground. I think this whole shit is underground. The elevator isn't operational. Everyone knows that it is impossible to leave this place, well, except the outsiders. But they're all gone now, except Momo. You can try to talk to him.
Except who?
Momo.
Momo?
Yeah.
Who's Momo?
How would I know? Are you asking me, or did you just say that? Like,
I was just saying.
Okay, cool. My bad. This was
Like, just out loud. Who is that? It was Momo.
I understand. I thought you were. Yeah. You can try to talk to him if you want, but he gave up on trying to leave. It's for the best. He lives up on that building with the orange neon sign. That's where I'm going.
That's where Momo is?
Your mom?
Momo.
Oh. Down is asking B12 for help. Oh, so there's like what to do if you get lost type shit. Lovely.
Gotta get that scratch out.
Have to. You were such a fright. We thought you were a Zerk. Joris. You really thought you'd take that elevator? We've never seen that thing work. And I'll be... What? 374? Oh, they're just like one-offs. Okay. We're going, baby. Actually, should we stop it there?
Yeah.
Alright. So our next gameplay, we start by meeting Momo.
We're gonna beat Momo. Beat him?
We're not gonna beat Momo.
Why are we
We're gonna meet Momo and ask him for help. I don't think beating him would really get that done in any kind of satisfactory way. I think he might not fuck with us. Personally.
Alright.
Cool.
Let's do it.
We're playing Stray and shit. It's about cats.
Yeah.
Anyway, that was the game.
That was the game.
That was Stray Part 1,
Yeah.
whatever. Who cares? I
Kitty
did.
cat meow meow.
Excuse me. Excuse me. In what world? In what world was that? Yeah, that's gonna go crazy.
I think it will. I really do.
Kitty cat meow meow. Watch this. Hold on.
No.
Huh? How about that meow meow?
Meow meow. Kitty cat meow meow. What the fuck is up that ladder? Is that a ladder?
This is the elevator. They're literally living inside of the elevator.
That's the elevator?
Yeah, don't go up.
Why are you in a fucking
Is it not? Yeah, this is the elevator, I think.
Is it?
What else could be the elevator?
Oh.
Yeah.
I kind of want to meet Momo.
Right now?
You don't have to. No, we don't have to. We'll do it next time.
It'll take a while, I bet. So.
Yeah.
How do I save? We're not at a checkpoint. What does that mean? Whatever. So this is like a real game. I thought it was just gonna be like walking and shit.
Yeah, this is fun.
Yeah, nice. Hopefully you'll learn how to game. Alright, stop this. Stop that.